Hey everybody, welcome back to the Money Class. And in this session, we are going to talk about money, as always, but particularly getting money for your business. Because most businesses don't grow or can't grow because they can't get access to capital. So I'm here to tell you today that, like it says on the thumbnail for this video, business names do matter. And the name that you give your business is way more important than you may even think it is. So let's talk about it. So when you're going to get funded for your business, you're going to a bank, you're going to a credit union. In many cases, you're going to a bank, okay? And when you go into the bank, they're going to ask you to see, in many cases, financials and things of that nature. But did you know how big of an impact that the name of your business can have? Well, hey, I'm here to tell you it has a huge impact. I'm going to share with you a list of things that are safe by bank standards to put in your name, as well as the safest industries for them to put you into when it comes down to you getting business funding. And then I'm going to share a couple of industries that are considered highly risky when it comes to banks and them giving you money. So here we go. So when you name your company, the way that you end the name has a huge impact, okay? These are the 5 safest things that I could come up with as far as when banks see this in the name of your company, they're not afraid. The first one is solutions, because that could mean anything, right? You're giving a solution to a problem. The next is consulting. Also, you can be a consultant on anything, right? From planning events to starting up a restaurant, consultant, money manager, you could be a consultant in anything, right? Next is services. Again, simple and plain as day, services. The next one is logistics. And last but not least is enterprises. Now, it's very important to know that these names mean that your business could be, promoting just about anything. You could be doing any type of business with this at the end of your business name. You could be ABC Solutions, ABC Enterprises, ABC Consultant, ABC Holdings, ABC Consulting. I know I repeated that, ABC Logistics, and people don't really know exactly what business that you're in. But the banks are going to put you into a class, the North American Industry Classification System. That is the system that determines what kind of business that you're in, and that's what banks use to classify your business, which goes a long way in determining how easy or not easy it's going to be for you to get funding. So let's talk about the North American Industry Classification System, or the NAICS for short. And this is directly from Wikipedia. The NAICS is a classification of business establishments by type of economic activity, okay? Process of production. It's used by government and businesses in Canada, Mexico, and the United States. And of course, that would entail North America, right? The North American Industry Classification System. An establishment is typically a single physical location, though administratively distinct operations at a single location may be treated as separate establishments. Each establishment is classified as an industry according to the primary business activity taking place there. NAICS does not offer guidance or organization enterprises composed of multiple establishments. Now, the NAICS numbering system employs a 5 or 6-digit code at the most detailed industry level. The first 5 digits are general, although not always strictly the same in all 3 countries. The first 2 digits designate the largest business sector. The 3rd digit represents the subsector. The 4th digit represents the industry group. The 5th digit designates the NAICS industries, and the 6th digit represents the national industries. Now, that was just a little brief synopsis of what the NAICS does. And what they do is they assign you a code based on the name of your business and what you put on the business loan application as far as what your business actually does. Now, I have 3 of the bank safest codes on your screen right now, which is consulting, marketing, and e-commerce. So these are just things for you to think about when you're planning to give your business that wild name or something that's really unique and catchy. You can always apply for a doing business as certificate for that business name to give it that flair. But for the actual parent company of your business, I recommend going with a nice, safe, generic name to give yourself a better shot at getting funded. Okay, so I promised at the beginning of this video that I would give you a couple of the most riskiest NAICS industries to be in from a bank's perspective as far as lending you money. So here they are. I'm going to give you 3. Number 1 is alcohol. Okay. Number 2, real estate investing. Number 3, firearms. And here's a bonus, adult entertainment. Okay. If you're in any of those classifications, it can make it really tougher for you to get your hands on money. So I just thought I'd make this video to let you know just how important the name of your business is. Yes, business names do matter. And that's going to do it for this session. But I'll be back soon with another session. But until then, class is dismissed.